Here in this video, we will show you backups are not getting generated in cPanel. What to do in this case? If you are fed up with backup file tar.gz is not getting generated in your cPanel account, then we have two solutions. The first solution is at root level. That means you need to have WHM root access. Go to tweak settings, which is given under server configuration. Now from here at the top right corner, search for backup. Few of the options will be filtered out from that page. You simply need to increase the value of extra CPUs for server load. Basically, this value defines that if the load average will be more than 2, then in that case, backup will not be generated. This is why your backups are not getting generated. The similar reason applies to the below options. IO priority is also a target through which backups does not generate. You can also configure them and then finally click over Save. Now you will find that backup should now be generated in your cPanel account. But suppose that you do not have WHM root access, you just have a cPanel account access, then in that case, the solution is limited. It may or may not work. Let us give a try. First of all, log into your cPanel and then check the file permission of public_HTML inside File Manager. Right click over it and then click over Change Permissions. Now apply the correct permission, that is 750. Therefore, backup should now be generated successfully. If still the problem is not solved, then the second culprit may be because of too many files inside public_HTML. This means sometimes there are thousands of files which are referred as junk files. They are created due to invalid PHP sessions which are not terminated, or it may also be created due to some other reasons. We simply need to delete them before creating backups. You can also contact your hosting provider if they can help you. Now again inside cPanel, if you go to backup section and try to take a backup, it will work flawlessly. You can also generate a full backup by clicking over Full Backup. You can select the backup destination as home directory and then click over Generate Backup. Now you will be successfully able to generate backups. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If still you are not able to generate backups in your cPanel account and your root owner or your hosting provider is not cooperating, then simply switch your hosting services to redserverhost.com and enjoy seamless and uninterrupted services.